Okay, welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that is being shared is of our opinion and not an advice for you to enter the market. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to use our template. So this is our daily and H1 template. So meaning at daily, you want to see the direction. So we see that it's going up. The arrow is making high, getting higher and getting higher. Everything all in blue is better. So next, where do we go? We go to H4. So what do we see H4? Just now we see on H4 there is a price is above all the lines, the Tenkan-sen line, the entry line, Novak flow and trend showing a bullish momentum. There's an arrow. So if we were to enter after the arrow, okay, so the price will goes down to about 60 over pips, and then it will go up here to 140 pips. So this is for traders who are busy. You can enter at H4. But for our strategy, usually we ask you guys to enter at lower time frame. Minimum is at H1. Okay, H1. So what you can see is that there is a lot of indication. We have our aggressive entry, that is the Novak flow trend. So we have all these three. Novak flow and trend is in blue. So we have the dot over here to tell us to do a long. So this is an aggressive buy with the support of an arrow and number 3 support. So meaning that this is a potential strong support, and we see that the price make a strong bullish momentum over here. For those who are into an intraday or scalping, you can just enter after the arrow and you are able to get about 70 over pips. Okay, for those who want to have even a precise entry, meaning you wait for the price to move back and wait for the arrow to appear, you can just enter. Or if you want to have slightly safer, you wait for the candlestick to close above the line and you enter. So it went up to about 120 pips. Okay, so that's how we use the intraday setup to capture 100 pips daily. So this is the kind of setup that we look for to do our compounding. Okay, next I'm going to touch on the M15 and M5, meaning it is for intraday trader who have slightly more time to take a peek at the chart. Okay, so for today, what we need to see is that the candlestick is above, okay, is above the this pink line over here, okay, this magnet line or the equilibrium line. So over here, if at M15, if you see an arrow above this line, okay, and you see that the arrow is making a higher high, okay, you can do a buy. Okay, for the next 15 to 20 minutes, or half an hour, you can easily capture about 30 pips. Okay, it's about 30 pips. So it went down, then after that it went up. Okay, over here we wait until it close above. There's an arrow, it goes above the line, then enter. You can get about 30 over pips, 30 over pips. Okay, that's how you use this. And for the next template that I give you guys is during the session, meaning during the market open session, there will be a lot of order. Okay, so we see where are the momentum on this box. Okay, it shows the Asia session, European session, and the US session. So over here, I think for this setup, why our team introduce this, because for session setup, most of you can actually make time. You know when are the time that you can make yourself free and trade during that session, so that you do not have to wait like intraday setup at daily H4 and H1. So you just open during the US session, you see a structure of a high getting higher. You can enter a long position over here, high getting higher, you enter a long position, you get about 2 to 3 trades. Okay, you exit. That is how you trade this setup. Okay, for those who have purchased the Novak system at just $100 from a discounted of $1,000, so it's about 90% discount. For this January, you will have a class to explain on how the strategy works in detail during the lesson itself. Okay, once again, I want to see a lot of successful trader this year, and hopefully we can have a much larger trading community with a good support and education to help you guys in your trading journey. Okay, goodbye and thank you.